Welcome back to the channel, guys. So a couple of days ago, one of my subscribers commented on the unboxing video of this Rimowa cabin carry-on and asked how many days worth of stuff can I pack into this. And I happen to be going on a business trip. It's a 5-day business trip, so I wanted to show you guys how I pack this suitcase. So basically what I'm taking with me is I'm taking 5 undershirts, 6 pairs of underwear, 6 pairs of socks, some jeans. These are dark blue, so it's business casual and they sort of work. 5 dress shirts. Typically I usually just wear Oxford dress shirts because they're casual and can be, business casual as well. Shoes, so these are, typically I'll just wear these Cole Haans, so they have the rubber soles at the bottom, so they're pretty comfortable. It's supposed to be like a hybrid type of sneaker type of shoe, but overall, not actual dress shoes, but they look like wingtips. And where I'm going, it's going to be a little bit chilly, so I'm taking just one of these Patagonia light jackets. And then also I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 t-shirts that I'm going to be taking. I'm going to the airport later today, so this is going to be what I'm wearing. So usually just sweatpants, t-shirt, something comfortable. And then obviously I've got a dopp kit, so this has all my like skincare, face wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, razor. And then I always take sort of like a little medicine kit. So in this I typically keep some Advil, some eye drops, minor first aid things, just anything that I might, or if I'm on a prescription at that given time for some reason, I'd keep that in this bag. So let's get started. So on this side, I guess I'm going to put the shoes in first. So I'm just going to put these over here. And then I just keep the compression thing over there. And typically I'm just rolling everything up, right? So I find, since I don't use packing cubes, I typically just roll everything up and start loading everything in. So let's get the t-shirts, or undershirts rather. So usually what I'll do is I'll take enough undershirts for like 5 days, but usually underwear I always take like 1 extra, and socks I take 1 extra. So in this case, 5-day trip means I'm going to take 6 pairs of socks. So let me stick those in here. Same thing with underwear. And these are just boxer briefs, but the best thing to do is just roll them up like this. So let's pack these in. Now I have been told by many people that packing cubes are a godsend, but so far I really haven't really felt the need for them. So as of right now it works. So now 5 t-shirts, same thing, they're already folded, but I'm just going to roll these up. Just sort of pack them in wherever I can. That's 3, 4, and 5. And obviously, as you can see, I keep the shoes in a dust bag. I definitely recommend that. All right, so that's pretty much one side done. So I'll just leave that on there for now before I tighten it, just to make sure that this side is good. All right. In this case, I'm just gonna lay my dress shirts in like this on one side. Now, a light jacket like this, it's typically, can potentially be a little hard because even folded up there, it's quite large. So what I do is I fold the arms, then do a third, and another third fold, and then I'll just fold these into another third like this, and sort of just stick it in here. All right, so now I've got my dopp kit, which I do have quite a large dopp kit, but this literally has a lot of stuff, and it's got a hook that you can sort of hang on the shower so you get access to everything. And this I'm going to put up here. All right, so let me just put the compression straps in, tighten everything up, and okay, that's one right there. Make sure this is tight. All right, and then I'll just make sure that I tuck everything in because with the Rimovas, since you have buckles at the end, or there's no zipper, if the seal isn't perfect, then you can't really close them. So, all right, so here we go. It's one side, second side, and that's it. All set. So, so with this, I'm also going to take a backpack that has my computer and all my basically tech accessories, and that usually I'll just put right over here, and that's it. I'm good to go for 5 days. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this video is helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.